first exposed months ago. Unclaimed bodies going nowhere fast at the Wayne County border.
The trip with Detroiters and more in advance at the mall.
Hey, you look, I swear, who here?
So yes, this is some of the repercussions of the economy being what it is.
I done seen a lot of brothers straight come and go. Some deceased locked it up and stranded on death row. Now I done seen a lot of brothers get let out the pen and only got a few days, then they back again. I done seen a lot of brothers just to get off a case, to go back to the block to get shot in the face. I done seen a lot of brothers go straight to the top. When the album came out, that's when they shit and flop. I done seen a lot of brothers jump full of excitement, then 6 months later, then they all indictment. I done seen a dope fiend get shot in the head over some bullshit another dope fiend has said. Even though I'm out for the fatty and out for the cream, you don't understand what these beady eyes done seen. I'm your number one boss, your number one Tatanka. I came, I saw, and I conquered. Yeah, I'm your number one boss, your number one Tatanka. I came, I saw, and I conquered. Yeah. Yeah. Check it. Pops look like he doing fine to me. Well, I'ma tell you right now, as far as can see, none of y'all haters can get with me, because you plus you equal ugly. You run around town straight running your mouth, but you don't even know who the heck you're talking about. Talking smack about the boss, I ought to put you to shame for trying to run around town, put dirt on my name. I don't understand why you're trying to take me under, when I done went through your bull crap, bleeps and blunders. Life's a trip when you're out there balling out of control. Everything that I touch turned platinum and gold. You ask me about units, 100 million sold. That's the way the whole story, yeah, should be told. I'ma finish first, you gon' finish last. You should've known that I was gon' put y'all on blast, cause I saw and I conquered. Yeah. I saw and I conquered. Yeah. I saw and I conquered. Well, I'm a Detroit play guy, I holla back boy. Silly rabbit tricks for kids, you ain't nothing but a toy. When I step to a boss, the new ruler of the city, making known competition feel real itty bitty. So step to the back while I step to the front, before I blaze it up quick like the first of the month. I ain't playing with your homie, yeah, I'm true to the game. You're a mouth for the fortune, so go to hell with the fame. Other rappers wanna compete, but they all sound the name. I heard word on the street, it's the same old thing. They wanna step to a boss, let haters get tossed. When they step on my path, I crack their head, step back, smiling and laugh. Sit on the curve, then after that, I cracks a genuine draft. Yeah, coming straight from the Midwest, I'm on the block every day where the thugs die, where the slugs fly. I'm posted up every day, so we even step, but we even try. Yeah.